Northern Technology Co Ltd is a company affiliated under Sanko Group of Japan, which has achieved ISO 9001-2015. The company is located in Sahapat Industrial Park, Lamphun, and was founded on 1997 with a registered capital of over 20 million Thai baht. We're committed to provide machines according to customer specifications with utmost attention while continuing to develop automatic liquid and paste and powder and granule packaging systems through our production power, which has produced more than 200 machines over a year. We're attentive to minute details in every procedure based upon customers' demands in all functions. We're expert in planning and implementing until successful completion has met our customers' requests. With our team of mechanical engineers, software engineers, electrical engineers, we're able to brainstorm and cooperate in manufacturing specialized products, designing and developing machines on certain specifications. We're capable of taking manufacturing orders on both major and minor scales upon customers' requests to each of our station before assembling. We're specialists in producing various parts with computerization and advanced software. Our company emphasizes on quality control in every production stage, from selecting highly efficient components to processing them through machines with adequate production power. We've efficient and systematic storage management for the convenience of assembling parts. Our machines are assembled by skilled mechanical and electrical professionals who are capable of manufacturing products like steel plating, laser cutting, and folding according to customers' demands. Since all must be done with precision, quality control is a must. We've machine and product test rooms with standardized equipments. Customers are welcomed to make machine test requests as part of the FAT, Factory Acceptance Test. Vacuum packaging process consists of foil sealing that are greatly approved by customers domestically and internationally, which exceed expectation both sea and aerial export. Effective product delivery, fast and punctual delivery to our customers. From our past 30 years experience, we've been developing in both research and utilizing present technology in order to promptly respond to customers' various demands, thus gaining trust from frontrunners in the industry. Vision Northern Technology Co Ltd, committed to quality improvement, prompt delivery, constant satisfaction.